Welcome to Kingston. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Mobile, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. We say give thanks to life, health and strength, Give thanks for another day. As when I say the 23rd of September. Life is the greatest gift, so cherish every moment. Because we don't know when we are going to drop catch, when our last day on this earth. You see it? Yes, man, big up everybody on the platform, star. Right now, it's a sad one, because I know when I wish death upon no one. You see me? So Jahshii, you know what I mean, he's mourning right now, bawling, weeping wherever he is. You see it? Yes, man, when I'm brother get slapped with his 6, or should I say 3 are death. You know what I mean? But boy, may I tell you, viewers and subscribers, I know this was coming still, because, Jahshii left the island for a reason. And, words was out there that, revenge have to go on. I remember attempt made after his life. You see me? Hence why he has to leave the country. I don't know where in the end of the world, which part of the world him there, but I send my sincere condolence to the eye, you know what I mean? Also to his parents, them, you know what I mean? When I heard the news today, say, when we see it in a dance hall, Mag, I said, Jaja, I hope, Harry hype, Yes, and I said, wow, I'm next brother. I never know say my next brother still, but John, my viewers and subscribers. Don't know where it come from, and it have nothing to do with me. Me and the man of peace, as well you can see on the screen right now, you see it? Yeah, man, I say love and unity and strength, peace. That's what I say. So my sincere condolence to the families, them. So I say, of the Clark family, them, you see me? Yeah, man. Sad one right now, and yeah, so I read a little bit of the article. I can hear what going on. I don't want to see it already and thing, but Lionfoot always give my little views and one out there, Yeah, man, so John, star. It's sad, it's shocking, depressing, distressing, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I know Jahshii mother supposed to weak, right, hold like belly bottom, likewise his father. You see it? Yeah, man, them say right now, him that run up in father shop, 24/7, you see me? So we don't know if I'm involved in nothing or a retaliation for we go on with the Dan brother. We don't know where that come from, my viewers and subscribers. As Lionfoot say, I have nothing to do with me. I'm just the man of peace, and I send my sincere condolence to the Clark family. You see me? So this is what the article say, you see it? Just a little piece of the article I can hear what I go on. A 29-year-old labourer, shopkeeper, David Mosiah Clark, the brother of dancehall entertainer Maluki Clark, popularly known as Jahshii, was shot and killed by unknown gunmen in Grand Spen, Kingston during an early morning attack on Saturday. That at this morning, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, man, so I don't know if this was a planned or, whosoever do it is a retaliation for we going with the Dan brother, as I said earlier. But that people are saying, it come off. I don't know. But reading the article, it doesn't sound like David was a bad person, because them say him always there in father shop 24 hours, And him was the main person in there as a shopkeeper. You see, my viewers and subscribers. Jano. Also, someone else got pick up some can up in that same incident, like a stray bullet. You see me? Yeah, man. So this is what it say, yeah. Another man was shot and injured during the incident, which the police confirmed happened at about 2 a.m. on Saturday morning. So Jahshii Bredda lose him 3 points and another person get corner up. I don't know if he was there with Jahshii Bredda or just stray bullets catch him. You see, my viewers and subscribers, but at the end of the day, a life has gone and Lionfoot has said, yo, my sincere condolence. You see me? Yeah, man, to the Clark family star. Wow. I know anyway, Jahshii there right now. My weep in my moon, tears in my eye. And him get the news saying brother gone, you know? So 2 a.m. in the morning. You know what I mean? The man them go. And I don't know if the youth, I don't know, as I say, Lionfoot not swear for no one, but out of due respect, the article them say, he mean at the shop 24 hours, you know? I work, I sell, I serve people. I'm father shop. Zine, and him just lose him 3 points. You see me? So I don't know. Jahshii they out in the world I live life, and I see him do a collaborate with DeMarco. I think my DeMarco do a song. So I don't know for them thing that it'll come off and maybe the brother will lose film life in June there. Another person will own a shop. You see it? So since everything got clued up and tied up my viewers and subscribers, because the brother were dead for the done, him have a shop. Businessman, see him? And now them lit back down a man. Jahshii Bredda dead, him have a shop, him father shop, so we don't know if I just this it go on it I say, yo, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. You know, Harry Hype. Maybe the man doesn't want to touch Harry Hype because, you know, Harry Hype respectable selector. Big up yourself, Harry Hype. Me just I say that still, you know. Me just I say that. I try, you know, we don't know. But this will come off as something must into something, you see me? Something must into something. I know Jahshii name did call upon that knockings there. So him get the order. And we don't know if all that shit come from here, man. Sad. I mean, I really want to know neither. You see me, I made the man of peace, you know. We're not involved in a war and I mix up in a war and a bang around. We can cry for peace and beg the youth themselves to live good star. You see me? Yes, man. So the whole of Grand spend right now, tens. You know, Grand spend tens and our people are moon and I hope nothing escalate, you know. Don't know if Jahshii intend to go back to Jamaica, but wouldn't advise him to because the man them make attempt after him and him, you know, escape it. That's why I'm taking himself. I'm gonna rang him. When we're in Jamaica that local money and 10 grand man I come for you for 50. And that I run Jamaica now, the contract killing program. You see it, so rest in peace, David. You know what I mean? Live in love and roll a grand spin, live in peace, yeah, man, and stop the crime. You see me? Mainland, right? But the whole Kingston 11, 12, 13, the whole Garrison Star. You see it? Yeah, man, I Lionfoot the man of pace, man. My viewers and subscribers, man, I love when I leave when you say, you know. Condolence again to the family, them, the Clark family. You know what I mean? And, you know, my fellow Jamaicans, stay safe out there. Stay out of trouble. Think twice before you make that choice. Careful who you talk around. A Lionfoot the man of peace. Yeah, man, blessed love.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up done Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, boom, boom, I represent. Can't tire the dancer, check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.